ये वाला लेते हैं।
इन्वर्टर एसी।
आप गैम्बलर हो ना?
गैम्बलर?
जुआ खेलते हो ना?
तुम जुआ खेलते हो?
अरे नहीं, ये तो कुछ भी बोले जा रहे हैं।
इतनी महंगी और नाजुक एसी खरीद कर स्टेबलाइजर नहीं लोगे तो ये जुआ नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ?
सिर्फ एक फ्लक्चुएशन आपके इन्वर्टर एसी के पार्ट्स को डैमेज कर सकता है। उसे वी गार्ड से सुरक्षित रखिए। वी गार्ड, इंडियाज नंबर 1 स्टेबलाइजर।
Thierry Mathou made his maiden visit to Meghalaya. He visited the sacred groves, monoliths, and heritage village of Mawphlang, East Khasi Hills. The ambassador trekked for more than 3 km and visited Mawphlang Sacred Grove, where he was guided by the head of Lyngdoh clan of Hima Mawphlang, Tambor Lyngdoh Mawphlang. The ambassador learned about the ethnographic flora composition of the sacred grove. The clan head explained that the forest Mawphlang Sacred Grove is sanctified by deities who are the custodians who safeguard the forests. Therefore, any immoral activities are not allowed to be carried out. During his visit, the ambassador Shri Thierry Mathou said, "I had the pleasure to visit the sacred forests. We have to learn from the clan on how to protect the environment and biodiversity."
Very thankful to the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya for welcoming me here. It's my first visit to Shillong. You know, France and India have an exceptional relation, and it was important for me to come here in Meghalaya to see what we could do to develop the relation between France and Meghalaya. So we have many ideas. I will have the pleasure to meet in a couple of days His Excellency Chief Minister. We could develop our cooperation, for instance, in the sector of sports. In your state where sports is very popular. In a couple of months, France will welcome the Olympic Games. I know that in 2026, Meghalaya and Shillong will welcome the Indians. Sports games. So it's something we could do. Culture also is a very good example where we could interact. We have many art and craft, and we want to develop interaction between my country and Meghalaya, and also economy. So I'm very curious I'm just at the beginning of my visit, and I'm very curious to better understand your needs, for instance, in terms of energy transition. You have a capacity to generate hydroelectricity. Actually, the largest companies in the world in this sector, hydro, are French companies. So dealing with water, dealing also with the protection of environment. This morning I had the pleasure to visit a sacred forest. So we have to learn from you, as a matter of fact, how to protect environment, how to protect forest, how to protect biodiversity. So once again, I'm just at the beginning of my visit, but this first visit is really to better understand your state and to see your needs and how we could interact. And then I'm leaving on Monday, and I will be it will be more clear for me to know exactly what we can do. And I want also to add that I am here because on Monday we will organize a big a military exercise between French and Indian army in Shillong. So this is also part of our interaction. So I'm also very happy to be here for this occasion. Thank you.